Daily routines. How to create a balanced day. Hello everyone and welcome to Ank's English podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Lily. How are you today, Peter?
I'm doing great, Lily. It's been a productive day. How about you too?
I'm feeling wonderful too. Especially excited about today's topic. I think it's going to be a fun conversation.
Absolutely. Today, we're diving into something that affects all of us. Daily routines. The rhythm that keeps our lives on track.
That's right. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our day is shaped by these little habits. But Lily, since everyone has their own pace, I wonder what a typical day looks like for each of us?
Great question. Everyone's lifestyle is different, but daily routines are made of repeated actions. Today, we're sharing our own routines, from how we kickstart the morning to how we wind down at night.
And as we go along, we'll also talk about how building good habits can help you feel more balanced and in control. It's all about finding what works for you.
But before we dive deeper, let's introduce our vocabulary guide. That's me. I'll be jumping in after each section to explain keywords and phrases to help you learn more effectively.
We're glad to have you with us today, Peter.
Thanks, Lily. I'm happy to support our listeners with vocabulary tips along the way.
As a student, my mornings are pretty structured. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Take a few moments to stretch and breathe deeply before getting out of bed. It helps me start my day calmly and with clarity. Then I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. It's such a refreshing feeling.
That sounds so peaceful. I wake up a little earlier, around 6:30 a.m., because my job starts early. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water to rehydrate. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face too. These small routines really set the tone for the day.
Definitely. Drinking water first thing is such a healthy habit. After that, I have a light breakfast, usually oatmeal or toast. Nothing fancy, just enough to give me energy for class.
I can't skip breakfast either. Eggs with toast are my go-to, and sometimes I make a smoothie. After eating, I spend a few minutes checking my emails and going over my to-do list, so I know what I'm up against that day.
Same here. I check my class schedule and get organized. It's so satisfying to feel prepared before the day starts.
Vocabulary stretch. To extend your limbs or body gently, like Anna does in the morning. Hydrate. To give your body fluids. Lily drinks water right after waking up. Light breakfast. A simple meal in the morning. Anna has oatmeal or toast. To-do list. A list of tasks or goals. Lily uses one to plan her day.
The afternoon is when I'm most focused. I usually have classes or study groups, and I try to work through tasks one at a time. If it's a long session, I make sure to take breaks. Even just stretching or walking a little helps refresh my mind.
That's such a smart move. My afternoons are packed with meetings and assignments, but I also try to take mini breaks, even if it's just standing up for water or a quick snack. It really recharges me.
Exactly. Short breaks are so important. After lunch, I like to regroup mentally and get ready for the rest of the day. I usually eat something light, like a salad or a sandwich, because heavy meals make me feel sluggish.
I also eat lunch around noon and I try to step away from my desk for a bit. I love having a quinoa salad with veggies or a turkey sandwich. Eating light helps me avoid that sleepy feeling in the afternoon.
Yum. After lunch, I dive into tasks that require the most attention and try to finish them while I'm still mentally fresh.
Same here. I like to knock out the big things early in the afternoon. It feels great to get the important stuff done before the day ends.
Vocabulary focused. Able to concentrate, like Lily during her study sessions. Recharge. To refresh your energy, Anna does this with short breaks. Regroup. Mentally prepare yourself again, often after a break or lunch. Sluggish. Feeling tired or slow, usually from a heavy lunch, but both girls avoid this. Knockout. Idiom. To finish a task quickly and effectively. Energy slump. The drop in energy many people feel in the afternoon. A light lunch helps prevent it.
Evenings are when I relax and unwind after a long day of studying. After dinner, I like to take a light walk or stretch. It really helps me decompress.
Same here. After work, I either listen to music or go for a walk. I usually have dinner around 7 p. Something simple but tasty, grilled salmon with veggies, or a quick stir-fry with rice is my go-to.
That sounds delicious. I usually cook something easy like pasta with vegetables or a rice bowl. After dinner, I always make sure to brush my teeth and wash my face. Small habits, but they make me feel refreshed and ready for bed.
Totally. Brushing and washing up is like pressing a reset button. After that, I often read a book or drink some herbal tea to relax.
That sounds so soothing. I also try to stay off screens before bed. Instead, I listen to calming music or read. I aim to sleep by 10 p. so I can wake up refreshed.
I keep a regular bedtime too, around 10:30 p.m. A full night's sleep really boosts my energy for the next day.
Vocabulary unwind. To relax and let go of stress, like Anna and Lily do in the evening. Reset button. A metaphor for something that helps you restart, like brushing your teeth. Wind down, to gradually slow down and prepare for sleep. Herbal tea, caffeine-free tea, perfect for relaxing before bed.
Before we wrap up, if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Inks English, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
And if you'd like to replay any of the vocabulary or share your own routines, leave us a comment below. We love hearing from you.
Also, we've included some recommended videos you can check out next to keep practicing and boost your English skills.
A little practice every day goes a long way. You'll be surprised how much you can improve.
See you in the next episode of English Podcast.